we saw, Moody's update its view of the banking system to negative earlier this week. How will markets and other regional banks respond to this?
So I just want, for the listeners, Moody's downgrading the sector, having a negative outlook, is not saying the sector is going to go bankrupt. It's not saying that in the sector we're going to have massive financial problems of an SVB type. Moody's is there to evaluate the profitability of the sector and the firms in it, and whether they are well situated to make money over the long term. This sector is less well situated to make money than it was 2 weeks ago. Inevitably, these firms are going to have to hold more capital as a precaution against their capital being less valuable than they thought, and the perception that it is less valuable than they thought. They're going to try to insulate themselves from that. Everybody is trying to make sure they don't look like SVP, and they don't SVB, and they don't want those problems. The other thing is, if you want to have more secure deposits, pay more interest on them. So the recipe to not having any suspicion about you is to run a less profitable business, hold more capital, make fewer loans, pay higher costs, make less money. Yeah, that's a negative outlook. And if you're an investor, that's not where you want to send your money. Send it somewhere else.